Hey kids! Now we're gonna learn how to write the letter G. Let's write a big capital G. And we're gonna need the help of our beautiful construction vehicles. It was a crane, and we have a cement mixer. We have a forklift. We have a, what's an input? That's a little trencher. Digs trench. And we have a siku. See? Siku. And the last one's gonna be, oh, what's that? Boom. Boop. Looks like a G, so it is probably a G. So, hey, this is it. That's a G. And that's little G. Hope you liked it. Subscribe and watch lots of more great videos like this. Bye bye.